Microsoft Excel can be effectively used to evaluate the probability of a major threat like a war using the rule of Bayes. In this case, as an example, we evaluate the probability of a war between the United States and North Korea. And as evidence, we will use some tweets by President Donald Trump. Okay, this is the rule of Bayes, which I have input here and then dragged it down all the way. Okay, first we have to start giving a prior probability to the null hypothesis of no war. Let's say it's going to be 70%. Of course, the probability of the alternative hypothesis, that of an imminent war, is going to be 30%. Now we have to evaluate the likelihood of receiving such a tweet in case of no war and in case of war. Let's say in case of no war is going to be 40%, and in case of war is going to be slightly more than that, like 60%. As you can see now, we have the new estimate of the risk of the war, which is slightly changed. So the posterior probability of the war is now higher. Next, we're going to evaluate the likelihood of the second tweet. We can say that in case of no war, for example, it's going to be 60%, and we consider it instead to be very unlikely in case of the war, let's say 20%. So now the probability of the war after evaluating the second tweet has diminished, and we can move on to evaluate the third and the fourth tweet, etc. Of course, we can update the chart according to our estimates, so that we can keep monitoring the situation.